Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher ADNAN SHAHID teaching you mathematics. Now we are going to study exercise 6.2. The chapter is algebraic sentences. The topic solution of equations involving radicals in one variable. Before moving towards the questions from the exercise, first take a short look. What does radical equation means? The equation involving radical sign. Radical sign, which sign? The sign of square root. The equation is present in square root, rather to say, when the variable is under the square root, then this type of equation is called as a radical or irrational equation. ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसमें वेरिएबल यानी कि अननोन रेडिकल साइन के अंदर मौजूद हो, ऐसी इक्वेशन को हम इर्रेशनल या रेडिकल इक्वेशन कहते हैं। याद रहे, वेरिएबल जो है वो रेडिकल साइन के अंदर होगा। नंबर पे रेडिकल साइन लगा हो या ना लगा हो इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन हर हाल में वेरिएबल पे रेडिकल साइन मौजूद होगा। कुछ एग्जांपल्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं। So these are the examples relating to radical or irrational equation. It clearly indicates that variable is present in all these equations under the radical sign, whether the variable is attached with coefficient or not. These are 6 examples in which we can clearly understand what does a radical equation means. While solving radical equation, in the first step, in order to remove the square root, simply we apply the reverse operator, which is squaring. So in order to eliminate a square root, you have to squaring on both sides of the equation. Okay. An equation which is satisfied for all values of variable is called identity. When the equation is solved, finally we get the answer of the variable. For example, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6. And finally we verify this. How we verify this? We put this answer in the given equation instead of variable, simplifying according to the rules of mathematics. And if left hand side of the answer will become equal to right hand side, it means we have verified the given equation. In this type, this status is called as identity. If equation is not satisfied, when left hand side of the equation is not equal to the right hand side, it means that equation is not satisfied. So this type of equation is called extraneous roots of the equation. So moving towards exercise 6.2, taking question from this. Here you can clearly see that in the equation, find the solution set and also verify your answer. It must be very clear that you have to verify the answer. Whether it is written or not, it must be in your mind that you have to verify the answer. Now the question is square root 25y minus 6 is equal to 4 square root y plus 3. So in order to remove the square root, first you have to squaring on both sides. The square is eliminated by the square root, so we get simple equation, that is 25y minus 6 is equal to 16 whole into y plus 3. Because 4 is out of the square root, so this square is applied on the 4, it will become 16. So multiply the bracket, rather to say expand the bracket by 16. 16 multiplied by y plus 16 multiplied by 3, it will get 48. So finally 25y minus 6 is equal to 16y plus 48. Now moving towards further steps of the solution. So we have to find the value of the variable y. So make variable y on left hand side and constants on right hand side. What are constants? In which variable is not attached. So 9y is equal to 54. 9 is multiplied, so dividing both sides by 9, we get 54 over 9, and 9 6 times we get 54. So the value of the variable is 6. Y is equal to 6. This is the value of the variable. So you have to verify it is necessary. So we put the value y in given question instead of variable y. We put 6. 25 into y. 25 multiplied by y. So 25 multiply the value of y. Now simplifying by using the rules of mathematics. So the square root of 144 is 12, and 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. When left hand side is equal to right hand side, then finally the value of y is verified. So you can write the value of y in the solution set. In curly bracket, we don't use a small bracket. Hope you enjoy the video. You understand all the mathematical terms which has been discussed in the video. Thanks for watching.